Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about executing the assignments on the database management system, that is the open office base. Okay, the open office base starts from the assignment number 15 to the assignment number 20. So these are the open office base related assignments. The assignment number 15 which we are going to discuss in this video is not only important for the lab examination, but it is also very important for the theoretical examinations too, because in the theoretical examinations also you may get 4 marks question on writing the queries which are totally based on this DDL and DML commands. Okay, that is the assignment number 15. So let us move to the assignment 15 without wasting the time. So assignment number 15. So here in the assignment number 15 we are going to discuss about the two important things. The one is the DDL command and another is the DML command. What is DDL command and what is DML command? Let us discuss about DDL. DDL stands for data definition language. So DDL command is responsible for creating a table, right? A table like this one, the heading table, no, serial number, name, age, department, salary. I'm not talking about this content inside that one. I'm talking about the column headers. Okay, so we can create the table, we can add new column to that table, we can delete a column from the table, and even we can completely delete a table. Okay, that one that part can be done using the DDL commands, that is data definition language commands. Commands are nothing but those are the queries, right? So next one part is the DML. What is DML? DML stands for data manipulation language. See, the data manipulation language, it is responsible for creating data which is inside this table. See that inside this table we are having something called as serial number 1 to 5 and the names from Sham to Sumit, ages of each record and department of each record and the salary, right? So this data we can create and manage, update, delete, everything we can perform on these records using the DML commands. DML are data manipulation language. So DDL is responsible for creating the table, adding new column to the table, deleting a column from a table, or deleting complete table, who we can do using the DDL commands, whereas the DML is responsible for adding a new record, editing an existing record, or deleting a record, right? Like that. Or if you want to view what is the content of this table, that is also you can do using the DML commands. So here we are having two tables, the students table and the master table. The student, using the students table we will learn the DDL commands, and using the master table we will learn about the DML commands. Okay, after executing the DML commands, later we will execute the query number 3, 4 and 5. These are also very important, and in the examination you have to execute all these three queries along with the creation of these two tables. Okay, so let us begin with the DDL command. So first what we have to do is we have to create the table, where we can create, first open the base. It may be open office base or LibreOffice base, right? Like that you can open, and from the tools you have to open the presently are we having any tables here? No tables here. So inside the tools, go to the SQL. So here you can create the table using the DDL, that is data definition language. How we can create table? What is the table name? Students. Okay, what, so this is the table we are going to create, and inside that one these two brackets you have to mention the columns which you want to add to that table. So what are the columns we are having? See here, the column name they have given, register number, registration date, name, address. These are the columns, and this part is the data type. We have to mention the data type for each column, right? For example, registration number character 15. How we can mention that one? Come here, I will show you. Here inside this bracket, no, you have to type registration number character 15 comma. Next column we have to write. What is the next column? Next column is registration underscore date. Okay, now again you have to come to this one SQL statement, and you have to type the registration underscore date, and the date is having the data type of date only. Okay, next comma and next column. Next column is name data type is where and assume we are giving 15 size of that one. It can hold maximum 15 characters inside that one. After that one we are having address column, and address column is also where, and the size we can give is 40 we can give, no, right? So we have tried to create a table here using the data definition language, right? This is using the DDL. I want to create this table. So what I will do, after writing the query, I will execute. Click on the execute button. Okay, after clicking, if we get this command executed successfully, command successfully executed, it means that the query has been executed successfully and the table has been created successfully. To see the table, first close this window, go to the view and refresh tables. See, here the students table is available. Click here. Okay, see, registration number, registration date, name, address. We are having 4 columns, right? We wanted these 4 columns and we are having the 4 columns inside that one. Okay, using a DDL command called as create, using the create command we have created a table. So see, inside the DDL we are having create command and alter command and also drop command. Okay, so the first thing is create command. Create command we have used now. So using the create command we have created a table. Now I want to use the alter command. Using the alter command I can add a new column to the existing table. Presently we are having this students table. Now we are having 4 columns. I want to add one more column such as the phone number, right? Phone number I want to add to this table. How I can add a new column to this existing table? Go to the tools, SQL, okay, create table, sorry, not create table. We are going to update the table, that is altering the table. For that one we have to use alter command, alter table, and the name of the table is students. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to add a new column, right? Alter table students, add. So we need to mention the column name here, right? Column name, then the data type after the adding these things. Okay, what is the column name we want? We want the phone number. No, we will add just the column name as phone. And what is the phone data type? It is an integer, right? Phone is having a number, no, it is an integer. Okay, now I would like to click on the execute. As soon as I clicked here, command executed successfully came here. So what does it mean? New column has been added. So let us see whether it has been added or not. For that one, go to view and refresh tables. Okay, click on the students table. See, phone number came, no? So like this we can add a new column to the existing table using the DDL, data definition language. So I have used create, I have used alter. Now I want to drop that table. Drop that table means delete that table completely. How can I delete that table? Using the DDL command only. Drop is the DDL command. Okay, how to do that one? If I want to delete this table, go to the tools, SQL, okay, drop table. What is the name of the table? Name of the table is students, right? Like that I can create and execute. So here it is showing command successfully executed. It means that the table has been deleted. This table has been deleted. To reflect that one, first go to the view and refresh tables. See, the table went off. It means that the table has been deleted successfully. So these three are the DDL, data definition languages. Okay, inside the data definition language I have created a table, then I have altered the table. Altered the table in the sense here I added a new column. Next I have used the drop command to drop the complete table. So these are all the DDL. So the next section is DML. DML is focusing both on totally on the data only. It is not focusing on the header and the table name and all these things. It is not focusing on these things, right? DML is going to focus on this part, right, the data part. So to demonstrate that one, first we have to create a table called as master. So as I have just shown you, using the DDL we can create the table, right? How to create the table? Create table, table name is master, right? And inside these brackets and brackets you have to mention the column names and their data types. So the first column is serial number, and it is an integer type data, yes, number, and it is an integer data type, okay, comma. Which is the next column? The next column is name column. Here see, name column. I am going to create a new column called as name, and name is a varchar, right? Varchar we can give 15. 15 is enough for the name, I think so, right? Comma. After comma, next column we have to mention what is the next column? Age. So age. So what is the age data type? It is an integer. It is holding the number. So so integer we can mention. After the age we are having department. So the department, like this we can mention, and the data type is varchar, right? And we will specify something called as 20. 20 is enough, right? Comma. After that one we are having one more column called as salary. Salary. So salary, which data type it is? Salary is also an integer, right? We can mention it as an integer. So we have created the query for creating a table. So we will execute this one. So creating table is a DDL command, okay. Now we are not performing DML right now. First we will create the table using DDL, then we will use the DML commands. So I will click on the execute. As soon as I clicked, command successfully executed. Close it. Now come to view, refresh tables. See, the master table has been appearing here, okay. So master table, is it having any data? No, it is not having any data, because I have created the table using DDL command. To insert what is inside this one, sorry, to view what is inside this table, to insert new record inside this table, to edit this table, to delete a record from this table, we can use the DML commands. So one by one more we will use the DML commands. What are the DML commands we are having? See, we are having select command. Select command is used to see what is inside the table. We are having the update command. Update command is used to update the value which is already existing in the table. For example, we can change the name of a student, right? Update it. Insert command is used to insert a new record. Delete command is used to delete a record. So first what we will do, first we will insert a record. Before inserting we can't see what is inside that, right? To do that one, first we will go to the tools, SQL. Here you can type something called into insert into table, right? Insert into table. And what is the name of the table? Master. Insert into master. So what are the column names we are having here? See, as you can see, serial number, name, age, department, salary, that we can mention here inside this bracket. Yes, number, comma, name, comma, age, comma, department, comma, salary, okay. So these are the columns, and what values we want inside that column we have to mention, no? So inside the values we have to mention the values inside this opening and closing bracket. So what values we want, we will see from this table only, right? Here they have given example table, no? So serial number 1 is Sham. So 01 comma Sham, sorry, Sham, comma, age is 21, and he belongs to the computer department, and his salary is 12,000, right? So this is the first record we can insert into the table by clicking on this execute, okay. So column not found, Sham. So here what it is saying, that the column not found. What mistake we have did is that the variables where data is there, no, that one we have to mention in a single quotation, right? Like this single quotation we have to mention. And this one also, computer, this one also we have to mention in single quotation. Then we have to click on executed. See, command successfully executed. Now to see this value, either you can come here and refresh the table, right? Here you can see the data, or else if through the query, if you want to see how you can see that through the query, go to the queries. Okay, here you can type select star from master, right? Select star from master, if you say, and click on the execute query or run query. See, it will show the content of this table, isn't it? Right. I don't want to say this one. Okay, now we are coming back to this one only. So I have shown you how to create a new record inside this one, right? Similarly, you can create multiple records, remaining records. So the second record also I will create and show you how to do that again, so that you will be familiar with that one. For that one, go to tools, SQL. Okay, I have to mention I am using the insert command. Insert command is a DML command, right? Insert into name of the table master, right? Which columns you want to insert, you have to mention, no, right? Inside this bracket you have to mention serial number, age, department, comma, salary, right? I have mentioned all the columns. Now I am to add values inside that one. Values, inside the bracket you have to mention the values, fair, right? So the second record is having shoe name, right? And its rule number is 2, rule number is 2, and the name of the person is Shiv, right? SHIV, Shiv, and his age is 25 and he belongs to physics department. So his age is 25 and he belongs to physics department, right? And his salary is 15,000. His salary is 15,000, right? Like that we click on the execute. Column count does not match in statement. See, here it is showing an error to me. So what the error it is showing is that the column count what we are having, no, it is not matching. So what we have used, insert into master, right? Column number 1 is serial number, column 2 age, department, salary, right? 4 columns we are having. And here inside the values we are having 2 shoe, 25 physics, 15,000. So it should execute. Let us see what is the error. Serial number, S number. Okay. After the serial number, actually we should mention the name here. We have not mentioned the name. See, I have missed a column, right? I can make the error, but the computer will not make the error. It will immediately show us the errors, right? It will find out the mistakes we have done. So I will click on the execute. See, the command executed successfully, right? So what does it mean? Come here, view, refresh table, click on this one. See, both records came here. Okay, we have demonstrated select command, we have demonstrated insert command. Now I will demonstrate update command. Update command is used to update a record. For example, this name is Shiv. I want to make it as Shiv Kumar. So how can I make? Using the queries, go to tools, go to SQL. Okay, first what you have to mention is update command. Update, which table you are going to update? We are going to update the master table. So I will mention master. Update master, set name is equal to Shiv Kumar. Which name we have to change, that one we have to mention. where name is equal to Shiv. So wherever the name is having Shiv, no, so we are updating it to Shiv Kumar. So after writing this one, we will execute. Click on execute. See, command successfully executed. It means that the name has been changed. To reflect that one, refresh the table. Click on this master. See, now it becomes Shiv Kumar. See. Here you are not able to see clearly. For that one, you can click on the queries. Here you can use the select command, select star from master, likewise, right? And click on the run query. Say Shivkumar came, no? Likewise. Okay, fine. So we have demonstrated update, select and insert. Now I want to finally demonstrate the delete command. Okay, delete star from table. If I use this delete star from table name, no, whatever the data I'm having, no, here all data will be deleted, both rows will be deleted, right? I don't want to do that one. I want to delete only the first row. Okay, the first row, Sham's row, Sham's information I want to delete. To delete the Sham's information, what you have to do, click on the tools, click on the SQL delete star from master. From the master table you have to delete all the columns where name is equal to Sham. So the records which is having the name as a Sham, I want to delete that one. How to do that one? Click on the executor, right? Unexpected total. See, I have made an error again. See, I have missed an E letter here. Okay, now it will hopefully execute. Unexpected token star requires from uh, okay, delete star from in statement. So what we have done is we have used this one, delete star from. See, delete star from we have to use only when we want to delete all the records. So right now we are not going to delete all the records, we are going to delete only the Shams record. So we will remove that one. Okay, delete from master where name is equal to Sham. Hopefully this time it will execute. Yes, it executed successfully. So what we have did mistake here is that we have used delete star. So star command, when we are using the star, no, then don't mention where, right? If you use delete star from master, it will delete all its records. Right now we have only deleted the Shams record. To reflect that one, go to view, refresh tables, click on the master, right? Shams information went now, right? So we have successfully demonstrated all the 4 commands. So in the lab examination you have to mention the steps to execute these things. Okay, execute these DDL commands and DML commands, all okay, all the steps, and what will be the final output of that one. Along with that one, some queries they have mentioned, no, query number 3, 4, 5, that we want to update, right? Write the query to update the salary of the employee to 17,000 whose serial number is 3. Okay, so what we are it is asking is to delete to update the salary of an employee to 17,000 whose serial number is 3. Serial number 3 is Rakesh and his salary is 14,000. Right now we are not having the Rakesh information here, so first of all we will add the Rakesh information inside this one. To add that one, insert into master, right? So what are the information we are going to add? We are going to add the serial number, name, age, department, salary, right? These things we are going to add, and what values we want for that one, right? Values we have to mention, no? Serial number is 3, right, comma, then name is Rakesh, name should be in the single quotation, right, comma. Next one is age is 31 and department is history. Age is 31, comma, department is history, The history I am mentioning in single quotation as it is a text, and the salary is, what is his present salary? His present salary is 14,000, right? So now I'm going to execute this one. Command successfully executed. To reflect that one, go to view and refresh tables and click here. See, Rakesh, record number 3, Rakesh salary is 14,000. If I want to update that one, 14,000 to, so the question is update the employee's salary to 17,000 whose serial number is 3. Okay, to execute this query, what you have to do is you have to go to the tools, SQL. I want to update the salary of this person, Rakesh. How to do that one? Using the update command. Update, okay. I want to update which table? Master table. Update master set. What column we are changing? We are changing the salary command. So I will mention salary here. Update master set salary is equal to 17,000, right? 17,000 whose information we are changing, we are changing the serial number 3's information, where serial number is equal to 3, right? Likewise we can execute, see the command successfully executed. So its salary should be now 17,000. For reflecting that one, refresh the table, click here, click on this one, see the 17,000, it became Rakesh salary becomes 17,000. Now I want to execute the next query. Write the query to add a column date of joining to the table master. So if I want to add a new column to the table master, no, how I can add? So for that one you have to write a DDL command, go to the SQL, right? We are using the alter command, alter table. What is the name of the table? Master. And we want to add new column called as date of, what is that? Date of joining, date of joining, right? And the data type is date, right? Like that we can create and execute. Command successfully executed. Close. To reflect that one, view, refresh table, click on this, click here. See, now one more column came, date of joining, right? So this query also we have executed. Next, final query. Write the query to delete the entry of Sumit from the master table. Right now we are not having the Sumit's record, right? To insert a Sumit, instead of deleting the Sumit record, shall we delete the record of Rakesh? However, we are having the Rakesh and Sukumar now, we can delete the record of Rakesh. How to do that one? To delete that one, we have to use delete command, right? Or drop command. So remember, delete command is DML, drop command is DDL. Drop is used to delete the complete table. We are not going to do that one. We are going to delete only one record, right? Presently we are going to delete the Rakesh record. For that one you have to use the DML command, delete from, right? To do that one you have to go to the tools, SQL, right? You have to type delete from which table? Master, where name is equal to Rakesh. So now I am deleting the record of Rakesh instead of that Sumit, because since Sumit's record I am not having here, so I am deleting the Rakesh record. Execute. Command successfully executed. To reflect that one, view, refresh tables, right? Click here. See, his record went off. So presently in this video you have learnt about how to create how to use the DDL and DML commands, right? So inside the DDL we are having three commands: create command, alter command, and drop command. Inside the DML we are having four commands: select command to see what is inside the table, update command is used to update the data, insert command is used to insert a new record, delete command we are using to delete a record from the table, right? So that's all about this assignment. Okay, I will come up with another video which is explaining the next assignment. Okay, thank you for watching.